Kenya ni ikoretwo ikinegena muno ni uria igoti ria ICC riratwarithia cira wa munini wa President William Ruto na mwandiki Joshua Sang na ikite uria ingihota gutigirira ati cira ucio ni wateanirio. Kuma okugarura watho wa gicunjĩ kia 68 watho-ini uria wathondekire ICC nginya wa mutaratara wa malabo uria wenda gukorwo na igoti ria Afrika ria gucirithia mahitia manene na niguo ICC ndigakorwo na hinya wa gucirithia andu a Afrika aria makuruhanio na mahitia ta macio. Ona kuri uguo mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni uritie mabũrũri ma Afrika ati matigatige guthinikiriria mogaruruku ma ICC ona magicaragia njira ya kuma mutaratara-ini ucio.
That is not what Kenya signed up for when we joined the ICC. I highly doubt that those of you that are its members expected this to be the way the court would conduct itself.
Gitumi kinene kiri ati igoti riu ni rironera mabũrũri ma Afrika na atongoria amo. Medekithini maria manyititwo mbaru ni mabũrũri ma Afrika kamiti ya ministers a maundu ma nanja iroiga ati no nginya cira wa Ruto na Sang unino.
There can be no recent illustration of this than the January proceedings in the case against my deputy William Ruto and journalist Joshua Sang. The prosecution seeks for the court to proceed without evaluating evidence. In any criminal justice system, these cases would never have come to trial. It is our expectation that the law will be applied and cases terminated.
Nige mutongoria wa bururi no igite ati ngwataniro ya Kenya na ICC no ithukitio ni uria maundu marathie guku bururi-ini.
Together we can make a powerful statement that reflects our refusal to be carried along in a vehicle that has strayed off course to the detriment of our sovereignty, security and dignity as Africans.
Igoti ria ICC ni rikoretwo rikiuga ati ona wona mabũrũri ma Afrika meyeheria cira-ini wa Ruto na Sang cira ucio no uguthie na mbere. Ikinya riu rioetwo muingi ugietagirira matua meri ma bata muno maria makuonania kana cira wa Ruto na Sang no uguthie na mbere kana ca. Itua ria mbere riri kana uira murege no uhuthike gutua cira na riu ringiriri Ruto na Sang matuike matire na mahitia na cira wa gucokia kana mari naguo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Macharia wa Mugo.
Our priests and imams, rabbis